Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I am Shaylin Denise. Welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I go from literally this, of course my phone would ring. Today I'm going to show you how I go from literally this to this. Girl, it's called a transformation. So this was about a 1 to 2 hour transformation. You know, I did a full hair, I did a full face, and everything else that could have went wrong in between. I just want to show you guys how I go from 0 to 100 not so quick. This was really fun. I wasn't in a funk, but I wasn't in the best mood, and of course getting pretty, feeling beautiful about yourself kind of puts you in a better mood. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. That was like, honestly, I didn't even begin to hit that note, but anyway, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and let's get right on into it.
Okay guys, so I actually decided to do a voiceover. At first I was going to do a get ready with me, like a chit chat get ready with me, but it was going to be such a long video, and at the beginning I was looking so rough, girl. So here I'm just putting on my wig. I've shown you guys this quite a few times in my videos, but I'm just putting on my wig here. I didn't do the wig cap method. I just use a regular wig cap, and here you can see that I'm actually wetting the hair a bit because I'm changing the part. I wanted a side part instead of a middle part, so I just wet it, I comb it down, and then I use Eco Styler gel to lay it. And now I'm laying my wig. So like I said, I've shown you this so many times. I use the Got2b gel and spray, and then I just place that bad boy down. So now I'm going to put on my scarf. I just want it to kind of be a little laid. I was having issues getting it to stay down, so I decided to put on the scarf to help it stick a little bit. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be chatting up a storm. Well, like, you know, that's what it's gonna look like, but you're not gonna be hearing what I'm saying. I just decided I would do a whole other video for you guys on like a get ready with me, chit chat get ready with me, because it was just, you know, a little confusing. Like, are we doing a transformation? Are we doing a chit chat? Like, are we gonna be here for 2 years? Girl, we don't have the time. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, eyebrow pomade for my eyebrows, and then I use the Clinique concealer. And here I start putting on my foundation. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I actually love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation mixed with the Superstay. I'm in the color Toffee. Well, I'm not in that color, but I mixed the coffee color in the Fit Me and the coconut color in the Superstay, and I literally am obsessed with the finish of it and how it comes out. So yeah, girl, get on it. So now I'm putting concealer under my eyes. This is the same Clinique concealer that I use around my eyebrows. I'm just putting it under my eyes and then on any areas where I have dark marks showing through the foundation. And then I'm blending that in with a beauty blender. So here I'm using the BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette to just do a very soft contour. In fact, you can probably not even see it on the camera, and I was saying that, but I kind of like it to be a softer, more of like a bronzing instead of like a true contour. That's me being cool. And so I use this Makeup Revolution HD palette. I think it's called Socialite. It's literally the palette I use for most of my looks. It just has every color that I personally use and that looks good on my skin. So I'm going to be starting the eye look here, just going in with a dark brown in the crease because I want to do more of like a smoky eye. At first I wanted to do like a brown dark smoky eye, not a true like black smoky eye, but then I started putting on the black and it just kind of, you know, spun into a whole sort of situation, but I actually really liked it. So Now I'm blending out where the brown shadow was and where the black is to kind of smoke it out a little bit, make it blend a little better. Here I'm cleaning up any fallout that happened. And now I'm going to just use the Maybelline mascara that I have to prep my eyes for my lashes. I put on just a little bit of black eyeliner because I feel like it helps me if I, don't do as well on actually applying the eyelashes. It gives you a little bit of wiggle room, if you know what I mean. So now I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil just on my bottom waterline, I guess. Just to make it a little bit darker and emphasize the eyes. Here is my Carly Bible palette that I'm absolutely obsessed with the highlighters in. I love, love, love the highlighters in that. Oh. So here is the Urban Decay lipstick that I'm trying out. It's this dark blue color. I'm actually going to be doing a Urban Decay lipstick haul / review sort of thing, but this was my first time really doing a look on here with this color, and at first I thought I looked a little goth, but I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And I'm cleaning it up with this just a little bit of foundation and a brush. So now we're moving on to hair. As you can see, my scarf got stuck to my freaking head, so I had to get alcohol and just kind of get the extra glue out. And so I'm going to just blend in my part a little bit. I use some pressed powder, eyeshadow, just any sort of powdery pigment. Now I'm going to brush out my hair and prepare to straighten it. Now I'm straightening my hair. By the way, I do have a hair review for this wig, as well as how I style and install it. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and look for those videos, girl. And here's what it looks like straightened.
Okay guys, so I'm on my Cruella de Vil vibes. I put on this cute little fur that I got. I actually don't remember where I got it from. I feel like I got it from H&M. I don't remember. So this is what the final look looks like.
My niggas all real, I ride in dick and some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels, cold ass bitch, I give raw chills, 10 different looks and my looks so kill, I kiss them in the mouth, I feel all grills, heat in the car, that's wheels on wheels, woo, I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck, I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks, money, all I really wanna see is the money, I don't really need a D, I need the money, all a bad bitch need is the money, I got.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this full transformation, me going from a bit of a crackhead sort of vibe to like a excuse me,
do you make over 7 figures?
You know what I mean? Like that sort of vibe. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun just talking to y'all, showing you how I transform. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.